Today I am going to tell you about the motion and force. I mean to say we are solving few numerical problems related to motion as well as force of light on the body. Okay. In previous days also we have done certain numerical problem. I am continuing the same, and this is question number 24. Okay. A cricket ball of mass 120 gram moving at a speed of 20 meter per second is brought to rest by a player in 0.02 second. Find out the force applied to stop it. Now this is related with cricket. Okay, we are writing the information given. A cricket ball of mass 120 gram. Mass is given, that's why I am writing 120 gram mass. And we are using SI system, that's why we are not using this gram. We are dividing it with 1000 to convert it to kilogram. This is equal to 0.12 kilogram. Okay. Now next information is 20 meter per second. Its speed is 20 meter per second. Means its initial velocity is 20 meter per second. Now next information, brought to rest. If a moving body is brought to rest, it means its final velocity becomes 0. That's why v equal to 0. Okay, next is by a player. It is brought to rest by a player in 0.02 second. It means time is also given. Time is what? 0.02 second. Now what is the question? Find out the force applied to stop it. Now we are going to find out force. Now how can we find the force? Force can be calculated by using this equation. F is equal to ma. M is given here, mass is given 0.12 kilogram, but acceleration is missing. That's why without the acceleration we cannot calculate. I'm going to calculate acceleration first. With the help of the other information, u, b, t is given, a is asked. That's why we can use this formula. We have a equal to v minus u by t, and using this equation, v0 minus u is 20, and here t is how much? T is 0.02 second. This is equal to minus 20 in numerator. In denominator, if this point is shifted to 2 digit right hand side, we can take 2 zeros in numerator, and we have now 2 here. This is equal to 2 ones are 2, 1000 minus 1000. Now unit of acceleration is meter per second square. That's why I am writing meter per second square. Now next we have to find out F. That's why again we have this equation. F is equal to ma, or F is equal to mass is given here. It is 0.12 kilogram, and acceleration is calculated here. This is equal to minus 1000 meter per second square. And if we multiply this 0.12 with 1000, then what comes? 120. And this 120 kg meter per second square is Newton. And here is negative sign. We have to take this negative sign. Now I want to tell you about the negative sign in this case and this case. What it means? If acceleration comes in negative, then we have to understand that the body is moving in such a way that every second or fraction of second its velocity goes on decreasing. When a player takes a catch, then what happens? While taking a catch, the velocity of the ball goes on decreasing and decreasing, finally comes to rest. And this is the case of retardation, and it is also called deceleration. Retardation, deceleration, both are same, and it has negative value because acceleration may be positive or may be negative. It is a vector quantity. But about the force also, if a body is moving in one direction and force is applied from opposite direction, then this type of force, which is called retarding force, which produces retardation on the body, retarding force comes in negative value. Because force and acceleration both are vector quantity. Vector quantity may be negative, may be positive, or its value may be 0. But scalar quantity never be 0. We have to understand all this theoretical part related to this problem also. Because sometimes students are confused. this is negative value, my answer is wrong. Not like that. Vector quantity may be negative. This is negative value, my answer may be wrong. Don't think so, because vector may be negative, may be positive or zero. Okay, this much. Okay.